Hey lovelies, sit tight. Let's make some natural vitamin C together. In today's video, I made some orange juice. This is pure orange juice and it came out so nice using my juicer. This juicer is my Odogu juicer. I've used it for over 4 years and it's still serving me. I got it directly from the factory where it's being manufactured. If you're watching this video from Nigeria, of course you know where they manufacture all this kind of stuff from. Yes, I tried to do this transition, but man, I couldn't just do it. I said to myself, transition, I beg, let me go ahead and that is my orange the way I wanted it. See me trying. So guys, how was the day? And if you're just seeing this video for the first time, if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. For on this channel I bring you good recipes that you actually try at home and get the best results. So please watch till the end to see how I got this simple and nice orange juice. Okay, let me tell you the benefits of orange to the best of my knowledge. Orange contains natural vitamin C. Most of the time people overrate or underrate, let me say underrate the power of orange. In a situation where my kids always have catarrh because of change in weather or change of environment or whatever infection that they may have contacted that will lead to catarrh or cough, I give them orange juice. This contains high nutritions like vitamin C, vitamin K and most of other nutrients. Remember, I'm not a food nutritionist, I'm not a medical doctor, neither am I a medical practitioner even. I'm just that babe who likes to show you what I do in the kitchen, which I believe will also help you. So I went ahead to peel my oranges. This is how I made it in order for me to get the entire benefit of this orange. Even though this machine separates the fiber from the juice, the fiber is also very good for bowel movement. If you want to have a free movement in the morning or anytime you take your orange, guys, please don't forget to eat the fiber. Just eat it like this, peel and eat. Don't go for the juice extra. So but I like to extract it so it will be easier for my kids to consume. Most times if I give them the entire orange like this, they get to mess up themselves or their clothes or whatever. At times they will even play with it, but once you give them juice, before you say Jack Robinson, is all drunk off. So guys, when you experience your kids having cough or catarrh, I'm not saying you should not give them medicine or whatever you give to subdue the cough and catarrh. Please inculcate orange into your meal for them. It helps so much as it also boosts immune system. Yes, when I go to hospital, doctors will always say, mommies, always give your kids fruits, and one of the fruits they mention is orange. So since I started giving them this orange juice like 3 times a week, no matter how much they play, no matter how the weather changes, no matter how they get in contact with someone who has catarrh or whatever, I bet you they don't always contact it because the immune system is boosted up. Not because of just orange, don't quote me, not because of just orange, but I'm telling you, oranges or orange juice helps so much. It helps so much. You as an adult, orange also is good for you. It helps your skin to radiate, glow and have a very nice skin. Okay, so as an adult, also take oranges, especially when it's the season. In Nigeria, let me say Nigeria, I don't know about your own location, wherever you're watching from, but in Nigeria, the way our weather changes, most times the dry weather gives us cough and catarrh so much. So but if you're taking this orange juice as often as possible as an adult, it will help you stay healthy. You can extract this orange juice using different methods, but this is the fastest method I use because I simply have this machine at home. But if you don't have this machine, there is another manual which I also have on my channel, of which I use in extracting my orange juice. It's very, very, very affordable. Okay, so don't think because you don't have this juicer for that you will not make your orange juice, my darling. You can as well use your hand to squeeze for the kids. The most important thing is that you extracted the juice and the kids drank it peacefully. some people do add honey or any other sweetener for it to be very sweet in occasion where the orange did not come out very sweet. Some oranges are kind of sour. They don't get that sweet taste that you may like to consume hundreds of it. But in today's video, my own activities, I was lucky my juice came out sweet and the kids enjoyed it so much. So guys, I hope this video was helpful, and please, if you like it, don't forget to comment where you're watching from. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and at the same time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to help this small channel of mine grow. Thank you for always, and I hope to see you in my next video, as I also welcome my new subscribers on board. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.